Luke, I am your father.
Hey, Mr. Hakem here, Activity 5. Just was starting to type this and I want to show you something real quick because we're still learning Excel. After you type, just hit enter, guys, instead of going to the mouse, the next line. Okay, so watch, I'll just delete this. Activity 5, Jonathan Hakem. Okay, I just hit enter, pow, I'm on the next line. Or once you're typing, just hit the down arrow right underneath, to get to the next line, so you don't have to just keep clicking everywhere. Alright, I'm going to type some more and I'll be back. Okay, check it out. Just another tip. I'm on typing row 10B. Look, last. Don't get your cursor and go over here and click C. Just hit tab like we would in Microsoft Word, right? Just hit tab, pow. First, tab, pow. ID, number, pow. Birth date. Oops, date. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, here we go. So I started typing a bit, but I realized, my gosh, that's a lot to type. I don't know how you guys do it.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh, what was that? Oh, anyway, so here we go. The things you're gonna be learning with this one, Activity 5 class roster. So you're gonna be typing a lot of different names, okay? And if you look, they're not in any type of alphabetical order. So it'd be very difficult to find one student's name in this Excel spreadsheet if we needed to, okay? So there's numerous ways of sorting. But first, let me show you real quick. See how it says in number 5, select cells B12 through D35 and format cells to text. Okay, so this is just getting you practiced with formatting cells, okay? Because in the future we're going to be doing this a lot. So right now it's just practice. So when we want to format all these cells to text. So notice these numbers here are aligned, right aligned by default, okay? So numbers are going to right align by default, but we want everything to be default here, text, okay? Aligned to text. Formatted to text, excuse me. So you would just highlight this and then you drag down to D35 once you guys type all this, okay? So then what you want to do is just right click in this area and you just want to go to format cells. Now we have all these different options and choices, and we'll be working with many of these in the future, okay? And it's pretty cool what they do for us. But right now, very simple. We just want to click on text. Text format cells are treated as text even when a number is in the cell. The cell is displayed exactly as entered. Interesting, okay? So we want to do that. So notice now everything where we highlighted is entered exactly how we entered it, okay? So nothing too crazy there. I know I'm not blowing your minds away yet, but we'll be using that a lot more in the future, and we're just getting practicing with this. Okay. All right. Now, if you see, check out number 10, sorting. You guys are sorting machines by now. So picture we wanted to sort this by first names. Okay. You see how it's actually so far, because I got lazy and didn't continue to type. It is by last name. It's actually still. Yeah, it's in alphabetical order. Let's say we want to make this in alphabetical order by the first name. Okay, so what we would do is just highlight whatever we want to alphabetize, and just like in Microsoft Word, you can do a right click and you can go to sort, or you can just look up here at your home ribbon and look, sort and filter. Okay, if you click on this, look, sort A to Z. I clicked it, nothing happened. And that's because by default it's just going to do with whatever's in this column. So it's sorted by last name, and it's in last name as mine is right now. But if you want to choose, go to custom sort. If you want to choose which column it's sorting by, just go to custom sort. So again, I just went sort and filter, highlight the data, excuse me, go to custom sort, okay? And then look, sort by column B. It's kind of intuitive. It knows there's A, B, C, D. So look, it's highlighted B, C, D, E, B, C, D, E, just because we highlighted it. That's why A isn't showing up, because we didn't highlight it. So let's say we want to sort by the first name. All you do is click on which column. You got it. B, because that's where first, or excuse me, C, because that's where first name is. So let's sort by the first name. Click on column C. Watch what happens. Pow. Alfonso Cacciatore. He is now first Charles David Rebecca. Okay, so imagine if you had like thousands of names you had to look through, and you wanted to sort, and it would make it very easy to find somebody. Okay, so if it wasn't sorted, it would be very difficult to find somebody. Imagine a roster of everybody that goes to Central York, but if you alphabetize it, you'd be fine. Okay, that is that for activity 5. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye now.